Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Xampp error MySQL Shutdown unexpectedly repair corrupted database. Open File Explorer. C Drive, Xampp folder. Open MySQL folder. Copy and paste data folder, rename it into data_old. Open Data folder. Delete MySQL, performance_schema, PHP myadmin and test folder. Delete all files except ibdata1. Open MySQL folder. Open Backup folder. Copy all files and folders except ibdata1. Paste it into MySQL folder. Start MySQL. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.